Hello and welcome to another OT Weekly video. This is actually our 50th video on the channel, which is a pretty big deal. So thank you guys for continuing to watch and make requests, which today's activities are from. So we're going to start with what's directly behind me. Now I put a piece of blue paper underneath bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. You're going to put it at the height of your child so they can reach directly forward and pop. The best finger isolation, and it's one of those things that no matter how old you get, it is extremely satisfying. You could do two fingers, you could do whole hands, kind of see what is most exciting. You could change the colors behind there. You could even draw shapes onto the paper and talk about, oh, we're popping in the circle, we're popping in the square. Whatever you want to do. Okay, the next thing that I have is something I'll post a picture guide on how to make. This is a very easy thing to make. I used a vegan sausage container and all I did was make some cuts. I used an X-Acto knife and then I outlined it with color so it's a little bit brighter. So the black line gives it a little bit more definition and the brightness on the outside makes it easier to see. So if your child is a little bit younger, I would make these circles even bigger and use things that are edible that you're already trying to incorporate into their diet. So like the mums, goldfish if they're eating those, things that you're not worried that they'll put in their mouth. So let's start with a couple of those before we move into the next level. So if you've got your thing here, if you imagine you got a little bit of rice I'm sorry, this is a rice pasta. You're gonna put that through and you'll notice that you have to kind of push it. You do that flat on the table, of course, but just so you can see how that works. You automatically go to push. On the bigger pieces, the rectangles, you're going to end up pinching and pushing that all the way through, which is a great skill as well. So first level, second level, and then third is to match colors and shapes. So if I was looking at the green rectangle, for example, I would match up green rectangle. Where's the green rectangle? It's over here. Talk about it, and then put it through, drop it, find the green circle, same thing. Where's the green circle? Is this the green circle? No, that's a pink circle. Talk about it as much as you can, and then push it through, and notice there's that point again. All right, so some fun activities, just two different ideas on how to work on finger isolation and point. Until next time.